So the biggest mistakes that I see owner clients making and people who self-manage their properties is three. And the first one is trying to charge tenants for maintenance. So if you get into why did this break and whose cost is it, and you say you do that one time, you get potential negatives, big potential negatives down the road with a tenant not reporting maintenance items. And minor leaks can become major repairs, and tenants that are hiding things, and then you find out all at once, and could hurt your budget, or your turnover could be exponentially expensive, where now you have this huge repair and you can't get a tenant in there because it's too big of a hurdle for you. So that's one big one. The next one would be not upgrading on turnovers. Early on when I was handling the management and dealing with all the owners, I remember having some owners where, they were just trying to rent out the property again. They were trying to save money. They didn't want to paint. They didn't want to clean. They just wanted to get it in, and they were trying to give tenants a discount. The problem with that is now your product isn't attractive to the best quality tenant with, that might have the budget and might have the best foundation and be a better quality to get. They're looking for the best value. When you're setting it up where, just go in, take it, you can paint it, you're competing with the rest of the market. So you're making your units less attractive. And so you can't obtain, probably the best quality tenant. And the next one would be eviction handling and late rent payments. A huge problem that we see a lot of owners make is they don't file evictions. They wait months and months, and they get the story that the rent's coming, so they wait. And then they wait, and then they call us and they go, we have tenants that haven't paid the rent in 10 months. What do we do? And my answer is always, you evict. You file an eviction, and you do it 9 months ago. Because you have to file an eviction. It doesn't mean you're kicking the tenant out, but it means that whatever payment arrangements or plan that you guys agree to will have teeth and be legally binding. And that's the main thing that owners don't do, and they need to do immediately. And depending on what city or state you're in, the rules are a little different, but you need to file and protect yourself as soon as you can. So, you don't lose revenue and then have vacancies, and then, you lose properties if you can't keep up with the mortgage, stuff like that. A lot of bad things can happen with some very small management mistakes.